Radio. On today's video we have got a new arrival, as well as Pam as well. This is a W&J Lawley 402 Cistern. Hold on a minute, something's a bit off on that one. Oh yes, it is a 402. I thought it was a 462 for a moment. So it looks like this, and seemingly with all Lawleys it's got holes in it. And believe me, I don't want to retire yet another one of these. All the ones I've had to turn out to be cracked or got massive holes in that have been unnoticed, unfortunately. I'll see what I can do to keep this one going. So we've got more Lawley parts than I have Lawley systems at the moment. Let's give it a go. Looks like this one's choosing not to go. It's going no problem earlier, so let's just leave it for a bit. Let's try and give it a go now. Every time I tried to flush it, it was going on the first pull. How very peculiar. Let's try now. Seriously? I overfilled it right at the top now. Oh, brownie is off the nest. She's in season right now. In October. I genuinely have no idea how or why. Oh, Goofy Eyes doesn't know better. Hello, girl. cistern view now. Not the original lever to the cistern. Everything else is original though. Lid is in good condition, no damage. And we have a couple of nice surprises inside the cistern. Someone's obviously keeping some money in there. It's 1932 by the look of things. I'll investigate later. It's quite a build-up of debris, but I did clean up the bottom before setting this up, so it is quite surprising why this ain't flushing for some reason. Part 1 pegler. Which works, which is always good to know. Yeah, let's give it a go on the inside. Come on, you. I mean, the bell's complete, so... Yeah, I can certainly see why this thing got replaced. So yeah, that is the NTW Lawley 402 cistern, and thank you for watching. See if we get one more out of this. Obviously not, so leave it at that. I'll show a couple of the other systems I got from Scrapyard yesterday. This is the Minion. I was going to set this up. NTW, unfortunately the siphon's absolutely beyond seized. Sort of loosen inside now, which is a shame. We'll get an after restoration soon. We've got two lids here, Minion, Lawley, 404. And there's the 404, slight crack on the back annoyingly, which I totally missed. Broken lever, but at least we've got a lid for the one 404. It doesn't have a lid. We've got this. I think it's a replica, but don't know. And then we've got a later version of a Minion. Two big cracks and no siphon. But it's At least it's got no holes, which makes it a bit better than the last one I had. So I'm going to try and fiberglass and revive this cistern. So yeah, that is the end of the video, and thank you for watching.